how to deepen relationships and conversations by being in integrity with one's word, by being impeccable with one's word. What does integrity mean really? There are two ways to be in integrity. Number one, you keep your word, you do what you say you will do. And number two, which is often overlooked, is if you don't keep your word, you clean up the mess that results from not doing it for yourself and for others. Let me give an example of this. One time I was living with a few roommates, and we were looking for a new house. And I said I will, live with them. And when the time came close to signing the lease, I backed out. And that was not keeping my word. But then what I wanted to do was help them find a roommate, pay for a month or two of rent, and do everything I could do to clean up the mess that resulted from it. And I think I actually cleaned up the mess that resulted from it. And I was in integrity, I felt. Are you in integrity? If I believe that I'm in total integrity, I lose integrity right away. Striving to be in integrity, but realizing that you will never be 100% there. How can you improve your integrity? That is a powerful way to strengthen and deepen self-trust and conversations with others. Enjoy.